What are you gonna do?
What? I'm gonna handle it.
This is a rough one.
No, I got
This
it.
is rough.
I got it.
This has been the roughest of the roughest.
Watch me work. Watch me work. Watch me work.
Scared. Ask them who want the money, then ask them who want the grind. The difference will blow your mind, how much people fall behind. Shit crazy. Niggas try and get they chips in, but they all decline. Pigs got my niggas in prison sick, fuck all the swine. Clouded mind filled with rhymes. I'm Malcolm peeking through the blinds, squeeze from the window, knock goals out your minds. I got young niggas doing dirt for some kicks, jeans, and shirts, and a couple perks. He'll make something work. That's how it is where I be at. Fiends said he was clean, asked me to get him some food, cause cash will make him relapse. He told me keep spitting that shit, said he need that. Tell me how they miss my work, the hood need pack. This for the hustlers that's caught in the mix. Hot boy ducking DTs, but pose for the flicks. It's Kaine, I'm outside somewhere in the bricks. It's who the fuck want what, Eddie's still on his shit.
I don't fuck with these rappers, niggas is weird. Instead of saying what's up, niggas is stare. Hard to crack a smile, have my wisdom impaired. Do diamonds in my front, street nigga veneers. What's a star to a sun? Yeah, you shine, just not like sun. I'm really him, no, I'm not like them.